Alright, we're gonna get back to these Mr. Booster 2s. We've only got a few more left on the bottom of the box here, and we still haven't hit the foil for this second box. So let's open some more. Let's get back to it. We're gonna find out what we got in this box here. Alright, we got Nobles, Militia Bugler, Halimar Wavewatch, Echoing Truth, Reign of Filth, Crypt Champion, Volcanic Hammer, that's cool, Twinferno, Silverglade Elemental, Trollbred Guardian, Frog Monster, Angelic Shield, Hezeret the Fervent. Ooh, got another Wasteland, that's cool. Mind Twist, that's a fun card. Luxior Ignited is our test card. Alright, pack 2, here we go. I love that these are easy to open, but they just fall apart sometimes also at the same time. Alright, here is Battle Screech. It's kind of weird that has the symbol up there. Battle Screech, anyway. Release the Dogs. Let them out. Halimar Deaths. Shedden Cut Curse. Blood Pact. Vile Requiem. We have a Thunderclap. Fanatic Emojis. Mogus? I don't know. Tell me. Land Grant. Idric Stompolar? I don't even know how to say that. I'm gonna go with it. Serrated Biskellion. Man, we got all kinds of fun words in this one. Cataclysm. Nice. Simeon Spirit Guide. Very nice. Demonic Consultation. That's a fun card. I love the art on this one especially. But there we go, good card. And a Where What? What is it? It's a Where What. Okay. It didn't hit the foil, but we got some decent cards in there. Thanks you for watching. We will see you next time. Bye.